Presentation sa
Alam ko rin na, Wilson. Wilson na. Pero election na mag-elect sila. Kuhan sa presentation of kuhan na candidates to Board of Director Chairperson.
Dafolio, Princess Dafolio, and then our different committee chairperson, Marie Ubay of Credit Committee, Audit Committee, Ms. Lisa Chris Alvarico, Elecom, Ma'am Saturnina Tixon, our Treasurer Analysis Officer, Ma'am Emma Cariaga, and our Head of Carter Branch, Ms. Lucrecia Panidos, and our General Manager, Sir Roel Magaliano. And also, the co-op laboratory members of Carter and Cebu. Please forward. Thank you. Let us once again give them a big round of applause, please. Lingkod lang mo mga bata. So thank you. Let me now take your seats.
Princess Isulat number 4.
While waiting sa itong keynote speaker,
Processional.
maybe mga around 2 o'clock na.
Picture.
Sige, ito lang na i-correct hindi. Don't worry, basta manote lang nimo. Kada istorya dito ni Auntie Rose ni may note. Sinita po. Bisaya lang. Bisaya lang.
Stand for our opening prayer.
Sa mga staff or officers.
In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil.
Please remain standing for the Philippine National Anthem and
Mga
the
kababayan,
operative
ang
flag.
pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
The cooperative pledge. As a Filipino,
As a
I am and I believe
Ryan,
in cooperative.
hindi ka pa
Alone I am weak, but with others I am strong. So I commit myself to work, to cooperate, for all to be prosperous.
prosperous.
Harmony,
Harmony in history.
I will
I will
value.
value.
Cooperative affairs, I will
I will attend.
Responsibilities, I will
Responsibilities,
assume.
I will assume.
Cooperative philosophy,
Philosophy,
I
I will lead.
will one vision,
Vision,
one belief,
belief,
one feeling,
one feeling,
in cooperative
and
peace.
cooperativeness.
My life
I pledge.
to help.
Vico.
So thank you. You may now be seated.
Good afternoon, everyone. May I present to you our vision, mission, and core values. Our mission, an empowered youth group active. Our vision, an empowered youth group active, creative, and teachable contributors towards a more responsible way of living and nation building. Our mission, to provide the young people with relevant and meaningful experiences of cooperativism, genuine servant leadership, and real-life skills toward a holistic and integral human development with survival, development, protection, and participation rights. Core values, I trust. I stands for integrity, T for thrift, R for responsibility, U for unity, and T for transparency. That's all. Thank you.
A round of applause. Thank you, Ms. Yuzel from Audit Officer. For the words of welcome, ato pong paminaw ng atong Vice Chairperson, Ms. Ashley Magaliano. A round of applause, please.
Good afternoon, everyone, and a heartfelt welcome to our all valued members, officers, staffs, honored guests, and visitors who are present with us today for the General Assembly of the Sibonga Young Savers and Entrepreneurship Laboratory Cooperative. It is truly a pleasure to see each one of you gathered here as we celebrate another meaningful milestone in the journey of our cooperative. Today, we gather with the inspiring, strengthening unity, inspiring leadership, and building a brighter future through cooperation. This theme reminds us that unity is the foundation of every successful organization. When we work together with one purpose, support one another, and remain committed to our shared goals, we become stronger and more capable of achieving greater success. This assembly is also a reminder of the importance of leadership. True leadership is not only about guiding others, but also about serving with integrity, responsibility, and vision. As we elect our unrecognized leaders who will help direct our cooperative, may we continue to inspire one another to lead through action, dedication, and commitment to the welfare of all members. At the same time, this gathering allows us to look ahead and build a brighter future through cooperation. By sharing ideas, making wise decisions, and participating actively in today's discussions, we help ensure that our cooperation continues to grow, prosper, and create opportunities for everyone. Every voice matters, and every contribution plays an important role in our progress. Once again, welcome to everyone, and thank you for taking the time to be here with us today. May this General Assembly be productive, meaningful, and successful. Let us continue moving forward together with unity, inspired leadership, and shared vision for a brighter future. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Ashley, Vice Chairperson, for your warm and inspiring welcome message. Next is para sa recognition of attending members. May I call Ms. Yuzel Alvarico. A round of applause, please.
Recognition of attending members. Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to acknowledge and thank all members present today First General Assembly meeting of Laboratory Code. At this moment, may I request everyone to please stand as we recognize all the members in the attendance. I acknowledge the presence of our respected Board of Directors, different committee chairs, laboratory Board of Directors, and different committee officers and all members of the laboratory. Let us give them a round of applause for their presence and participation. Thank you.
So, salamat kaayo Ma'am Miss Yuzel of Audit Committee for the recognition of attending members who joined this General Assembly meeting. At this moment, it is my pleasure to introduce our keynote speaker. Ato pong paminaw si Miss Angel Kate Dapolio from the Election Committee for the introduction of the keynote speaker. Please, Miss.
Good afternoon, everyone. Let me introduce to you our keynote speaker. He graduated with a BS in Food Technology from UPLB and was a consistent DOST scholar. He is currently taking his MS in Molecular Biology and Biotechnology, minor in Food Science at UPLB. He served as a Science Research Faculty at Biliran Province State University from 2019 to 2020. He has experience in lab work using a UV Visaya spectrophotometer and centrifuge, research writing, and public speaking. Among his achievements are the NASD 2025 Outstanding Scientific Paper Award and the UP International Publication Award 2021. Training or engagements. He is active in seminars on omics, food innovation, and gene diagnostics. Please welcome Mr. Jack De La Cruz.
A round of applause, so we will hear from our keynote speaker. Again, Mr. Jack De La Cruz. A round of applause, please. Sir Jack. please come in. Okay, thank you, Sir Jack. Good afternoon, Sir Jack. Hello, Sir Jack. Madungog na mo? Hello? You're now in the front of Laboratory Cooperative members. Hello, sir. Good afternoon. Okay.
Nadungog na ako.
Nadungog na, sir. Please.
Dili ko kadungog din niyo or balay ko dyan sa akong part sa inyo.
Hello, Sir Jack. Madungog na? Hello, sir. Proceed na lang sa imong call, sir. Kay dili man, di ka kadungog na mo, pero makadungog na minimo. Ako ba, sir? Makadungog na minimo, Sir Jack. Proceed na lang. Okay na, sir. Take your floor, sir. Thank you.
So mag-start. Mag-start na ako. Okay na mag-start.
Okay, sir.
Sige, mag-start na ako. So I hope everyone diha sa conference room kayo makadungog na ako. So good afternoon to all the members of the Sibonga Young Savers Entrepreneurs Laboratory Cooperative and its mother co-op, Sibonga Multipurpose Cooperative. And I just want to say a huge congratulations to everyone for conducting the SciSocs First General Assembly. Okay, so in any organization, for it to succeed, there has to be a strong foundation. And this foundation is a strong bond between its members. So the bond between the members, this bond is formed when members are united in one goal. Or in other words, there must be unity. But in an important aspect for a united organization is a leader who exhibits strong leadership skills. Now, when you have a leader who knows how to lead, he or she will be able to unite the members, which lead to a brighter future. This can be strengthened if all of the members exhibit cooperative behavior, or in other words, there is cooperation among its members. And this has been exemplified by SMPC, or by Sibonga Multipurpose Cooperative, our mother co-op, because they have a united goal. So what was their goal, or what is their goal? Their goal is to help its members uplift their lives. And because of the strong leadership from the board of directors, SMPC is still standing strong for over 40 years. And I hope this generation of SciSelf members, and even to the members in SMPC, can replicate this success in the future. SMTC, as our mother wants the youth to achieve financial freedom and literacy, meaning that we can generate our own money or use the money without so much consequences, and knowing how to use that money. So one of the critical factors in achieving financial freedom is learning how to give importance to money, and this has been the core value that SMTC wants us to learn, especially right now that the things have been difficult lately. So I just want to share my experiences back in my younger days, when I always asked my mother to buy me some stuff that I like, and she always, most of the time, said no. So in school, she gave me a small amount of money. So at that time, so mama would just give me around 5 pesos, 10 pesos, 20 pesos. So in today's situation, it's much smaller, but at that time, I think it still has a great value. But relatively compared to my classmates, that amount was still small. Okay? And she reasoned out that I had snacks naman and lunch with me, so why do I need to bring so much money? Okay? So initially, I couldn't help but felt jealous of my classmates because they can buy snacks in the canteen. So the typical snacks that they found in the canteen. But as I matured, I realized that through this, we were able to save money because we don't have to buy unnecessary stuff in the canteen. At least I can have my own food, which is I think much healthier or much more delicious compared to the food sold in the canteen. Okay? Spending money wisely is not an easy thing to do. Yes, and I admit it's not really easy, especially when you live independently. So when I was in college, I spent 4 to 5 years living in Laguna, and I really had to be smart when it comes to budgeting my money. Okay, no more prepared snacks. So no other person who will prepare for my snacks. So I have to buy things on my own. And aside from the food, I still had other expenses such as my dorm, my school, and many more. Although sometimes I admit that I also spent unnecessary things during college, especially on food. So if I crave for something, I really want to buy this. Okay? But that's the freedom that I can do because I can buy whatever I want. But of course, I still need to be frugal with my money because minsan ma-open ko nga, ayaw ko pa yung mga man, kinahulog na kay igas sa pagkaon lagi. Pero when I was in college, learning how to save or to use money properly is one of the life skills that I learned. Aside from the skills that I learned in the school, isa na siya sa mga life skills ako na-learn outside the classroom. And then when I had my first job, I finally understood the hard work my mother did just to earn money. So dili sa'yo magtrabaho. Okay. Nagagawa nun, yung mag-travel back from your house to the office, especially sa time ni mama, sa syudad pa siya nag-work. Do ako sa unang apartment lang o doon na, pero still the fact na magtrabaho is very difficult. No? So in my first job, our salary was not given on time, like it was delayed for 3 months. No? So lisod magtrabaho na wala kang dili hatagan ng sweldo na yun. So that really challenged my my capacity, how to really use or how to spend my money wisely, since I also had bills to pay, like an apartment, electricity, food, and even my wants. My wants were even sacrificed at that time just to prioritize my basic needs. Okay, so more of my experiences when it comes to saving money. So even karon, even sa akong job karon, even na graduate school ko karon, I still practice that. So nag-think ko, if mapalit ba ko ani, is it important or not? So if I cook something expensive, should I reduce my expenses in the future para ma-meet din ako akong daily budget? So you have to think of those kinds of stuff. Okay, para lang hindi ka over-exceed sa iyong budget for the day. Okay, so that's for the savers. No? So if you read the name of our law, there's a word beside savers, it is entrepreneurs. No? So what do you think? No? Sa mga kong manahunaan kung word entrepreneur. So probably some of you may think that it's doing business. And yes, it's true. So being an entrepreneur is also doing business because we want to earn profit, we want to earn money. However, for us to be good entrepreneurs, it is not simply selling our products. No? So there are many factors for us to be good entrepreneurs. So you also know how to market them. You also know how to deal with your customers. And of course, you have to make sure that our product is unique and profitable. To be honest, I am not really a good entrepreneur since I don't have the necessary skills. Pero I think sa mga kabatanunan karon, I think na sila yung potential to be good entrepreneurs. Kay many, siguro kay most of you are now very exposed to social media. And since dahil sa social media, you can replicate or you can get idea from the videos that you watch online. No? So maybe some of you know how to design publicity materials. No? So na ay creativity, and creativity is one of the things that a good entrepreneur should possess. No? So I just remembered my brother during high school used to sell homemade desserts made by my mother to his classmates and even to his dormmates. He was able to earn extra money, and the profit he can put into his savings, and sometimes he was able to buy things that he wanted without asking from my mother. No? So in doing business, it's not always about glamour. Hindi lang pwede tanan nga success. No? But of course, I believe na successful entrepreneurs had their own share of difficulties before they reach the place where they are in. But their sheer grit to reach that success makes them rise to the top. And I think these are the things that SMPC wants to instill into us. So the experiences I had with regards to saving and being an entrepreneur are not enough to say that I have indeed quote unquote mastered them. But one thing is for sure, I have learned a lot. So as you see, hopefully in the laboratory ko, as the years pass by, you will be able to appreciate the value of saving money and being able to earn money independently through entrepreneurship. So once again, congratulations to everyone and good luck. So I hope to see you soon. So that ends my speech. So thank you and good afternoon.
Thank you so much, Mr. Shakira Cruz, for your meaningful and insightful message. Once again, a warm of applause to Sir Jack, please. Thank you, sir. Wait, sit mo gamay mo, sir. Okay. So, next, atong pong paminawon, isa sa mga na itong inspirational message from FCCT Youth Representative. A round of applause, Ms. Shanming Villaronte from FCCT Youth Representative.
Hello everyone! Maayong adlaw kanatong tanan, especially sa tuang mga kabatanunan nag-present karong adlaw ug tan-aw ani nga video. So by the way, to formally begin this video, let me introduce myself first. So my name is Shanmay Villaronte. I am 24 years old from the municipality of Tuburan, and of course, the youth representative of FCCT. So naaday ko sa na-assign sa head office sa FCCT diri sa Toledo City. And for today, it is an honor and a privilege for me to share my life story with you guys. So thank you so much, Ma'am Emma and Ma'am Belle, for giving me this opportunity to inspire and to encourage sa tuwang mga kabatanunan nga natin. Without further ado, I want to take you on a little journey today, a journey that shows how challenges, hard work, and cooperation can shape a brighter future. I grew up in a humble family. Dili dato, dili pud pobre. Sakto lang ang makakaon og katulog sa usa ka adlaw. So bata pa lang ko, kay baw na ko kung unsa ka lisod ang kinabuhi. So my father is a construction worker, and at the same time, my mom is a housewife. And napamig kamay ng sari-sari store na igo lang po ikasupport sa among mga kinahanglanan sa pang-adlaw-adlaw. Growing up, usa ko ka consistent honor student. So usa ra ang ako ang goal no, pagkata pa ko na I want to finish my studies and to help my family na ihawas sila sa kalisod. I was in college. I didn't just focus on my studies. Ko sideline, which is ang pag-host sa mga laing-laing na mga activities or events. For example, debut, birthday party, Christmas party, kasal, anything. Isuglan ko na. Just for the sake of earn good money, just to support my studies, and to help my family. So, pagtungtong na ko 4th-year college, I run as an SK chairperson in our barangay. And thank God I won. I'm not just holding the rule, but I am holding the responsibility to serve the people, to inspire them, to encourage them, to enlighten them, to give my ears and my eyes to them. Pagtanaw sa ilang panginahanglan, pagpaminaw sa ilang mga problema o concerns. That is my responsibility as a youth leader. Mauna siya, no? I'm a college student, sideline as an event host, and at the same time, I serve the youth. Kung i-graduate ko sa college, isip ko sa kamang na kong kaunay. So, ako itong i-dedicate, kahabo na ko sa kuwang ginikanan. Kaya tungod, nagdako ko na sa kalisod, na-learn ako kung sa ka-importante mo sa kabutang. Like, we really need to work hard for it para makuha na to ang gusto sa kinabuhi. So, karoon, pag-graduate na kong college, in work din as a private school teacher there sa municipality. So, ni-work ko for 2 years. And at the same time, hidungan ako ang upat ka buok trabaho. Isip usa ka private school teacher, usa ka English teacher sa akong Japanese students, and usa po nagtrabaho ko sa FCCT, isip ko sa research development officer, and at the same time as teacher person serving the youth here in our barangay. And of course, hindi ko board exam samtang naani ang kumpat. Kung tinakong paningkamot, dijabol ako ang kumpat na ako katrabaho. No? And at the same time, nag-review ko para sa akong board exam. Thankfully, I passed the board exam. And now, I am a licensed professional teacher. And as of the moment, nagpa-rank ako for DepEd. Dahil, currently, I am working as the Municipal Public Information Officer diri sa lungsod sa Tumuran. And today, so through all these experiences, I realized something powerful. Leadership is not about a title. It is about serving others. Success is not about what you earn. It's about the impact you make. And that brings me to you, the youth watching this today. I want you to take 3 things from my story. First, your beginnings did not determine your endings. No matter your background, you can rise, achieve, and inspire. Second, hard work and persistence pay off. Even the small steps, the quiet efforts, the late nights, they all matter and add up to something greater. And third, unity and cooperation are our greatest strength. Alone, we can do a little, but together, we can achieve so much more. When we help one another, share ideas, and work as a team, we create a future brighter than anyone of us could imagine. So let's strengthen our unity, inspire leadership in ourselves and others, and build brighter future together. Once again, thank you for letting me share my story. And remember, your journey is just beginning. Make it count. Once again, this is Shani Villaronte. Daghang salamat.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Shelley Villaronte, for inspiring message. Again, may I call Ma'am Emma Carriaga for another inspirational message. Ma'am, the floor is yours. Good afternoon. A round of applause, please. Maayong hapon natong kanan. Lagi sa duhanan po ka mga speakers. Ngunit naman siguro no, na nakapatid ka na kay inspirational message kay kung atong tanahon, atong paminaw, inspired na ba mo? Ay, naninong ka ito. Minaw siya. Kayo ang atong learnings, no? Makahinok-lok ka ba? Nagigit yun sayon po na ilapong namin. So, ang atong role, ako'y prepare para pagtulong na lang ano na kami ang siguna therapy na ako mother po kailangan yun ito na
Cara pa sa tagsa? Tama, cara ka sa tagsa?
kaya na kami na anak ko alam mo nga dako kayo ang papel kamong mga kapatantunan na naabot na may i-contribute para mas mulambo ang ano siguro na mo so ang akong i-share I hope na masunod masamtani ninyo lalo nga nagsusunod sa inyong oras no kay busy ra ba ya galing mahinan atong mga paglantaw amo mong ibalik no na sama sa ang aging kaibigan sa among time kaya lagi naman po ng inyong generation karon pero maka kami sa among generation proud ko ito na nakatabang ito natin na naabot ni karon na panahon na. So, with this, na-prepare ko na sino atong maminaw ta na atong tanahon kay para ma-challenge ta nung na atong duha na to ka na mga speakers na ato tayo ma-achieve nung nakikapaghabong po sa sibunga multi-purpose cooperative. Kung nakikipprepare, why empowering and growing the youth is vital for the cooperative sector. So, itong kasunod na among natipan. So, you are the younger generation. Means to young adults. Ang young adults who bring energy. Brings energy, brings ideas, digital fluency that the cooperative needs to thrive in achieving work. Kaya dahil naroon ang atong panahon. So, nakinahanglan ninyo na inyong tabangan. So, muli ang atong unong income na rason. Una, ay six important reasons. Una, ensure future leadership and continuity. So, kaya kami kaya mga idaranan, ako is 8 years to go. So, mga 4 to 5 years, Galing, mag-lisod siya sa lakaw, sa countries ako. So we need backup. We need successors na mapadayon sa misyon sa ating pagkakita. Hindi tayo, youth empowerment prepares the next generation to live and sustain youth. Ikatwa, brings innovation and fresh perspective. Imagine ang aking mga youth, kamo may matabang youth sa Cebu na po. Young people introduce new ideas, technology, and creative solutions that make co-ops more relevant and competitive. So, ngunay ako panahon na nakukuha ko papel. Yan, drives digital transformation. Ano naman tanong? Digitalization naman ta. Iba, kung atong tanawang ganina, ang nihatag na to o kanang atong keynote speaker, katupusan na ito kung invite na mahatag ko na to inspiration. Wala dire, pero nabati ninyo, naabot dire na to kung sa ilang gusto pasabot. Okay? Youth are more tech-savvy and can help to adapt digital tools, social media, and platforms to improve services and identify need members. So, kamo mas mga bright man mo aning digital naman kataron. Techno, pagko naman atong assistance, technology kami. Murag mag-listen kung galing din usahay gamit sa cellphone. So, magpatabag yun ninyo. So, dapat na ako. Then, number 5, support sustainability and business. So, saan man, youth brings skills in entrepreneurship, agribusiness and management, and helping us diversify, adapt, and create sustainable livelihood. Imagine na nito, dako yun ay kaitag mag-contribute as kanang mga maayo niya na member nato sa leaders and members sa laboratory ko. Niya. Number 6, build a strong group identity and social impact. Youth-driven initiatives promote values and community development, strengthening the co-op's purposes and public living. At pitali, manong kami yun, naningkamot na ang atong mother co-op makahimota o maka-organize yung ka o nindot na kanang laboratory co-op kaya kamo magod mamaya atong i-train. So ang ako lang ang atong mga officers and members dapat committed po ta. Sad to say na wala pa ganit ka maupay paglabang na to sa first step, tsaka kayo ni Bia na masakitan po ta ba mangingong dayon permission to live. Kung wami kay balong na mga mulid man, kaya kung naay mga, para na po, hindi rason na busy. Hindi kong dawat anak, dahil busy ko sa eskwelahan, busy ko sa simbahan, busy ko asa, kaya nakarana mo kung nakakay time management. Kunya, hindi ko advice ang na lang yung mga tanaw ninyo na asa na kadapila na mas mahappy ka. Kaya inahanlan ng ako kong parents, hatag ko lang guidance. Okay. Para na mas indot ang atong mag-contribute diha sa atong family o diha po sa atong community. So with the remaining mga officers, manghinaot ko, nakita mo sunod mo chat lang, permission to leave. At kay Dili galit ba ya ang pagsugod, pag-organize o kaning kalibukan. Kay ang goal record namo nga mahimo niya kung mga maayo future leaders no nga makatabang dili lang sa personal nato dili ihasa sa community na naatan nato. With that, salamat kayo nga napay nagpanilin. Bahala ang gamay rata, basta kay active ka. Padayon para sa atong dibuhaton. Thank you. Okay, dahan kayo salamat Ma'am Emma. Again, a round of applause to Ma'am Emma for her inspiring message. So at this point, proceed na kita sa election. May I call the election committee to proceed in front. Ms. Dacolio, the twins, sorry. Okay, naalam ko yung gamay announcement no, selection na to, rules and guidelines, ako na ni Tuan, gamay. So before ta proceed, here are the guidelines for today's election. So each member are entitled to vote. No? Yeah. Voting na to process will be done by raise of our hands. Okay na mo? Since duha ara ang need nato sa atong board of directors sa labi ko. Okay, ang isa resign, may honest resignation, and ang isa is now lang yun siya sa group chat, relieve siya. So, wala po siya resignation. So, duha ang need nato sa board of directors. Okay? So, we now proceed. Ms. Dacolio, the floor is yours.
May hapon day natong tanan. Ako si Princess Kate Dacolio in the presence of the LabCo General Assembly. Tungod kay ni-resign naman ang atong LabCo chairperson, we need one more BOD to be elected. We need more 2 BOD to be elected. Karon magpili tag alang sa maong position. Abli na ang pag-nominate any nomination fees.
Nominate naman. Tudlo lang.
So let us now proceed. Yes. Let us now proceed to the election. The floor is open for the nomination of 2 board of directors. So dapat tanan mag-participate na. Ha? So, any nomination?
Itudlo lang.
I nominate Lene Paligos. Lene.
Wah, magilanay. Frances. Number 9. Election of officers. Letter E.
Okay. Attention. So, si Miss Klein Panigos is approved iyang kuha tungod kay dili pa man siya member, savers pa man siya. So, hindi pa siya magpa-member sa kooperatiba. Okay? Sorry kaayo. So, next please. Any nomination?
Wala pa man. Wala pa may manok.
So,
Sulat mo kung na ay
Yusel Albarico for Board of Director. Mr. Mendoro, nominate Ms. Yusel Albarica for Board of Director. Any nomination, please? We need 2 Board of Directors to replace Jillian and Carmen Medina. Yusel Albarico? Yes. Another?
I nominate
Isaiah, nominated by Mr. Mark Angelo Lopez. Isaiah Gabriel Mindoro for Board of Directors.
Isaiah.
Any nomination? I nominate.
Puska na, puska.
Ito sa imong katawhan ko.
Tudloan na nga, tudloan. Sige.
Dito siya.
Lopez. Isil.
Princess Kate, nominated by Ms. Yusel Albarico for Board of Directors. Telecom, so tulo na pud kabuok kay ang kaning mga officer sa Elecom na nominated man sila, so we need officers for Elecom committee. So the floor is open for nomination for the Elecom officers. Any nomination?
Francis. Nominate si Francis. Nominate si Francis.
I nominate Francis.
Francis Pinipig Investo for Elecom for election officer. Another nomination. I nominate CJ Laura Mora. Yun na lang. CJ Laura. Another nomination. Mora. CG Mora.
Oh, ikaw, Francis. I-nominate si Section. Pang Mike.
Sige, Simon, Sidong, I nominate Claney Paligos.
Tapos ka, to sign.
Okay.
A-I-N-Y. C-L-A-I-N-Y.
Say motion to close.
I close the nomination. A-I-N-Y.
So, the nomination of
I second.
election committee has been closed by
C-L-A-I-N-Y.
Albarico, seconded by
A. Apple.
Francis Benedict and Festo. So again, no? So automatic, no? Daog na silang tulo. So congratulations. A round of applause, please. Okay. So, okay, sorry. So, paistoryahon sa mo sa tubangan. Kaya si Francis Benedict Investo. So, dito, guwapo na pa kayo si Dong si Investo, eh?
I will try my best to be the best elephant.
Then another one is si CG Mora. Sus, mga guwapo man yung mga bata oy.
At least tahin ba?
Good afternoon, everyone. I am CJ Mora, and I hope to do my best. And thank you.
Okay. And then the last one is si Claney Padigos.
So, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Tony Vlasky Padigos. Pagumang ko ni Ms. Lucrecia Padigos, and thank you for entrusting me this very title. Though I know nothing of becoming an elecom, but I will do my best to fulfill the responsibilities of this very title. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Gusto, hindi sa pagkuhan ng pag-usingan naman. Pag up left, no? Okay na, may kayo. So, puhon, no? Sila niya yung puhon, next leaders. Okay? So, so we have a break of ilang minutes, Sir Well? 10 minutes, no? 10 minutes. 15 minutes nila kay 2:45 na, sir. Oh, so 15 minutes na break. So, mga 3 o'clock exactly.
Siya naman secretary.
Mo balik na for our General Assembly proper meeting. Okay. Activity.
Okay lang.
Oh, ikaw basta.
Okay.
Hindi pa.
Ha? Mga una mo.
Hindi na basta.
Basta ko.
Hi guys.
Saan mag-reels pa man. Paulan mo eh. Ikaw.
So, nandito man siguro ang uban. No? So, at 3:10 na lang siguro mo proceed na sa atong general assembly meeting proper. So, the time check now is 3:02, 3:03. 3:03. So, 7 minutes na lang. Ubang mga bata, Ma'am Marlene, nangihi pa, ma'am. Okay. So, by 3:10, ma'am.
The General Assembly Simona NPC Overboard Operating is now called to order. May I ask the Secretary to please call the roll.
Thank you, Madam Chair and Vice Chair. Good afternoon, Madam Chair and the rest members of the board. I will now call the roll. When your name is called, please respond by saying present. Chairman Julie. Vice Chair Ashley Magaliano. Yusel.
Present.
Isaiah Gabriel.
Okay, so I call Ms. Ashley again to declare the forum.
Thanks to attendance. Record only 17 plus 1 equals to 18 members are present out of 28 total members. Based on CDA standard policy, 25% of attendees, the total number of members plus one are required to quorum. So I declare the quorum. May I call the secretary to read the due notice.
Invitation to General Assembly to the members of the Laboratory Cooperative. Dear members, we are pleased to invite you to attend the General Assembly of the Laboratory Cooperative. This gathering is an important concerning the future of our cooperative, especially the election of our new set of officers who will lead and serve the organization for the next term. Your presence and active participation is highly encouraged, as your voice involvement are essential in stronger and more united cooperative. Date April 30, 2026. Time 1:30 p.m. Venue Sibonga Multipurpose Office. Respectfully yours, Azendra A. Acero, Virgin Co-op Vice Chairperson.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Secretary. Thank you. With the quorum duly established, we can now proceed with the official business of the Assembly. The presentation of accomplishment 2025 and the development plan. May I call Ms. Ashley again to present, to report the accomplishment plan 2025.
Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. These are the Laboratory Cooperative Accomplishment Report of 2025. We have 3 subjects: objectives, activities, and accomplishment. First is to increase the number of members. Additional 15 members at the end of 2025. Activities, create social media platform. Accomplishment, we failed to create a social media platform, and we have accomplished 28 new members. 12 members put up capital build up of 1,450 pesos. And the Sibonga Young Savers and Entrepreneurship Laboratory Cooperative Savings is 2,980 pesos. Objectives: improve social media skills. Activities: coordinate with academic institutions. Seminar on how to create publicity materials. The accomplishment is no coordination with academic institutions on the part of Guardian Cooperative and no seminar conducted. Objectives: to acquire basic knowledge and skills about entrepreneurs. Activities: to attend basic entrepreneurship seminar. Accomplishment: no entrepreneurship seminar conducted because of occupied schedule during. Objective: to improve leadership skills. Activities: to attend seminar on leadership skills. Accomplishment: no leadership training seminar conducted. That is our Laboratory Cooperative Accomplishment Report of 2025.
So, motion to approve.
to approve. That's been moved by Ms. Yale Alvarez.
I second the motion.
Seconded by Senel Paligos.
Claney.
Okay, sorry.
Okay.
Okay, approved by Yuzel. Approved by Yuzel and
Has been
seconded
approved by Ms. Yale Alvarez and
approved by
approved by
Claney.
seconded by
Everyone.
Claney.
Claney Paligos.
Anybody.
So next for annual development plan for the
So this is our Laboratory Cooperative Development Plan of 2026. Objectives: increase savings participation by 50% and strengthen the capital build-up. Activities: launch weekly savings program challenge and ipon challenge. Will Guardian Co-op will provide a functional
Here are the alkansya. Naamuani. No, para at the end of the year, nanamoy daghan. And ako yung interest.
time frame is second quarter. Responsible person is laboratory co laboratory treasurer and advisor. Budget is 5,000. Objectives: improve awareness of co-op values and principles. Activities: conduct co-ops education seminar 1 p.m. ES third quarter. Integrate cooperative in school activities. Giving of awards and recognition. Time frame, second quarter. Responsible person, linkages committee. Budget is 2,000. Objectives: develop entrepreneurial skill. Activities: introduce friendly income generating activities. Start small entrepreneurial activities or snacks, etc. Organize fundraising activities like food stalls. Time frame, second quarter to fourth quarter. Responsible person, laboratory members. Budget is 5,000. Increase participation rate by 60%. Activities. Monthly meeting. Time frame. Monthly. Responsible person, laboratory chairperson. Budget is 5,000. Objectives: build leadership and teamwork. Activities: youth leadership training or workshop. Mentoring session with Guardian Cooperative. Rotate responsibilities among officers for hands-on experience. Time frame: third quarter. Responsible person, co-op manager, and training facilitator. Budget is 15,000. Objectives: improve tracking of savings and activities. Activities: introduce simple level. Time frame, second quarter. Responsible person, laboratory secretary. Budget is 2,000. Objective: promote social responsibility and activities or to organize community service like cleanup drive and tree growing. Time frame is fourth quarter. The responsible person is laboratory chairperson and co manager. The budget is 5,000. May we now ask for motion to approve the 2026 plan and budget.
motion. Motion
motion to approve sa inyong budget and development plan and budget for 2026.
Motion to approve the 2026 plan and budget has been approved by Angela Lopez.
Second. Second.
The Laboratory Cooperative Annual Development Plan for 2026 has been approved by approved na. The floor is yours.
Mo di ato ang mga challenges, no? Sa ato ang mga new set of officers, including sa ato mga kento sa atong laboratory department. So mo di ato ang buluhaton sud karong medida. Ang pinaka ikalabi na ang first nato nga ato na to pwede atong savings o nga share kapital. So, nag-provide ang ato ang Guardian Cooperative, Mana Cooperative o Alkansiya. Kaya makaw din siya ibuhato na ito, no? Ang atong strategy ani, ato ni siya ihatag by group. Ito, panilitan, group dito sa Marcar. Napoy group din sa Simonga, ato ko din i-divide o tulo siguro ka groups, depende ka ng doon ra. So, in a group, para yun nga, kanang activate ang tanan. So, ato ni butangan siya, palita ba itong padlock, no? So, sa inyong grupo, mabilang ta mga dudong, hindi mga manin. Sa inyong grupo, kanang magpiling mo o kinsay mo lista sa kanang ihulog dire. May lista. So, kanang ilista ninyo, ay tanda-adlaw, magkano piso-piso kada-adlaw, di ko lang po sa kasimana na ako'y 5 pesos. So, isood na to din na ilista nila ang mauna, atong isood dire. So, magsapon mo, kanus naman na to ni ablihan para atong i-deposit sa atong accounts. So, sa inyong lista, dapat insakto na sa sood. No? So, naay, o dito mo din insakto, makaiba sila ipalit nila siya. Atong taluan mo kung saan paggunit, kung saan pagdala sa atong water start ninyo sa inyong mga edad, no? So, na siya nga, at kung magsabot mo, kada buwan ba, or once in every 2 months, ablihan na siya, muli atong isold sa ato ang passbook. Sabot. So, na siya nga, naay din nga, doon na recognition of awards. No? Ay para ni mamotivate ta nga magdaginot. Di na ba mulit, di na ba no kulito kita tag piso kawala may banor. Ang dako ang kwarta nagsugod sa gamay. So, madaginot ta ka-afford magalit tagpalit og sa diha nga kana pa mag-save nato. Ay para na sa iyong pangmaon kun mo eskwela na mo. So, natay giving of awards and recognition. Kaya katulo ka na develop entrepreneurial skills, no? Atong taga-admin nga, young savers, o na magpunod ta kay kung save ta, ang entrepreneurs, ito pa, kabalo ta muda sa kwarta sa atong natigong. So, naaman ta dire, siguro, hindi pa mo mag-klase, no? Okay pa? Okay pa. So, naakoy ka nag-introducean na aside sa pag-himo o kanang mga snacks or any kanang entrepreneurial activities, baka ba next week? Okay. Bana, kanang selective lang, no? So, kanang mugamit bagutas atong balay o kanang dishwashing liquid, o di ba? Sabay, gamit ko kung mas inyo ha, sabon, o sa ba? Ha? Say, gamit sa inyo ha? Kanang magkuhan mo, maghugas ng plato, sige gamit. Ano ba mo? Sige gamit. Ha? Para di pa sila maghugas, patay. One, ato i-discuss na ganina ni ito si Jack sa atong message na dapat learn to be partner sa ato ang balay. Dili ta magsenyorito tungod kay karong panahon na, mo ang panahon nga, kung mudag ko na mawalay mama, mag-unsa mawalay na kaunan. No. Ang reality na ba karon, ang mama nagalinsingot, ang anak ka nagalingkod ka cellphone, busy kayo. So lahi na ang vision sa una o sa karon kay sa una ang mga anak, no TV kung school based, focus sa atong pagtuon. Tungod kay mao na siya ato ang guide kung successful ba ta sa ato ang pagdamlag. Mata pa na pagitalig kitang young. Sa atong pagkabatan-on, gitudluan mo sa atong laboratory kung saon nga mahimo kong responsible citizen. So, kita ingon nga kuan tabangan nato unsay naa sa atong balay nga kulangan dili ta mag-sitting pretty atong inahan. Nga muna paghag kanang kadungsingot og panginabuhi na kita gagasta na data. Atong tiyan sa taon bulan, kita kanto kaberte ato sa kanto pa 7-Eleven. No, bro, sakit na. No, wa mo ka feel kung so tibdang sa kanina. Kaya wa siya ka-feel at itong panahon na musayo kung matang lugar o paulit, mag-bake para yun, makapliti siya. Sumuna siya karon nga tabangan na to as atong parents, kay noon siya atong panahon na karon nga mahimot ang good citizen in the future. So, expectahan na. So, mamugas ta. So, mamugas ta. Sa kung mamugas ka ron, na ako kay technology sa akong anak ko siya nga mahimo makwartahan nato. So kung next week isa interesado maghimo ta og dishwashing liquid, ako mo provide og ingredients para suportahan ninyo. Ang halin mo na atong i-save kay naara mo ta dito 2,980 pesos na savings. Mao man na ang na-save atong donation sa ato ang nag-taking sa una si Emma o kami. So naana mo'y kwarta. So mao na sa start-up capital nato. Pero karon maghimo ta dishwashing, ako sa imo palit ng ingredients, ang halin ato na ipundo sa ato ang set sa ato ang kuan kanang general fund para start-up. So kung naasunod na po, magtulo na po ninyo kung saon paghimo pinaka-simple nga snacks para atong makwartahan. Ako na lang kay kita mo gaib, kabalo sa paginagbal. So ako'y mag-teach in ninyo kung saan nga makakwarta ta using sa atong funds nga na-save sa kooperatiba. Okay ba mga na? Wala pa naningog. Mga lalaki, pagtabangon naman mo lang ibangbon, kaya mag-iwan sa banana balls. Kamuti, magbangbon. Sugod mo na, di?
Sugod.
Ha? Wala pa naningog. Ha? So, ana, ito na nang gamito na ito. Kung mangrawa mo, magbuta sa mo, nagpuna mo, ipon ang paglipod na mo, mabot ang kwarta dyan. So, dapat trabaho ta para makakwarta, di ba? Same sa inyong mga parents. Kakayon, para makakwarta. Kita sa imong anak, basta doon. Huwag mag-feel kung sa kapait ni mga ka na magwarta. Okay? So, mana siya nga, kanang naatay mga entrepreneurial activities nga taga na itong meaning young savers and entrepreneurs. So next week, we'll schedule po kanang dishwashing making. Siguro before sa inyong klase, pagkimunta ko kanang mga snacks item, kaya pwede nato ibaligya sa atong labang sa inyong school, kung naamo. Okay, paano na siya? Gawa sa nakaginansya mo anak, ako ko inyong charge na ito ng labor, it means at katong nagtrabaho, suluhan ko na siya. So, one part sa costing. So, ganahan mo. So, next week, ang saban, natin kalendar palihog. Next week, magpanta dishwashing na liquid. So, ato ang baligyaan na inyong ginikanan, unay, taga po, bumalit man sila. Kaysa bumalit sila dito sa tindahan, buto na, sa ato, butangan na ito ng label nga, ikunanding. Kaya ato na siya i-post sa ato ang FB page, sa savers nga, using the digital Pinas, nga ato panidutan, para yun, uy, daan naman niya yung mga activity. Sumalipay ang mga tao, at least, ang atong mga bata ko, naan na sa kalimutan, sa mga income, di ba? Malipay ka, dili. Ha? Wala man. Hindi naman sila ganahan. Sila sa ganahan mo, dili. Ganahan yan. So, mga natong na ikuan. At sa ganyan, maghimot ta ang packaging. Yung tao ka ng nindot nga, katong kanang mga half-liter yan na, kanang gasmay ng pilya, na ato na yung nagila, ato na ipalit, i-post na ito sa community page na naan na dito mga produkto sa ato ang laboratory ko. So proud ka, no? So proud sa me as guardian o mother cooperative na nakatabang sa iyo nga nahimo mo digital entrepreneurs. Okay? Kaya na po na po si John Paul ginagawa kaya i-share po niya nakatambong tulungan mga tax siya 100 pesos as additional CBOs iba. Yay! Kaya na po niya mga 100 pesos ka daw sa additional CBOs share ng sila. Kaya paano po siya ka nagpasalamat po siya nga sa iya ha paringkamot po dito na pag-yamay siya kintabisan lang kag-eskwela siya. So, nasa yatan. So, namin passbook, nagbahanan ko 100 pesos ka tapos namin tambong ko dito. Okay? So, walang siya. So, next time, sa may calendar. Sama na ito ko sa akuan. Sa may calendar, sa tuloy sa tuloy. So, May 9. Ano na? So, kinsay gusto mo diri sa May 9, mag-demo ta o kung saan pag-demo o dishwashing liquid. Kunya, ako man, ibaligya na sa ato ang mother ko o mamalik pag-yun sila, di ba? Yes. Nga, di ba? Sunada mo ready market. Ha? Pamalit siya para ka mo, mas inyo ka mo na magugas. Binato siya na itong bangtay, kapuan, ganyan na lang, pupilit, kadamay na, so sa social ko kadamay, using sa inyong ipong, di ba? Sa automatic mo na anong may kuhan, na nang ibaligyan sa inyong dishwashing. Sa oras sa inyong gusto. Ha? Hindi na siguro gitangan, kaya di not all entrepreneurs, representative lang siguro, ha? Kato intisado mo katol, ganit na kasi mo nga, intisado siya ulit, mo naman. Kato nagkakapin sa intisado, so, di lang tanan. So, kato lang, intisado nga, mo dito'y mo, baligya po sa inyo ha. Kadi mo po mo mag-imo dito sa tagsa. So, kinsa intisado kay mag-ready na po kayo sa lalo. Ano na din tanan? Kaya ang tanan ta, di kayo ang learnings. Kanan ta gamay ra, ang learnings maklaro gyud kay kamo na may ako tuwag din pag-imo. Jadi ba ko na nato badala kay ato ba ko na siya ikuan na murag internet pa man siya kay man na sa nato i-so diya. So kinsa desado? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. So anong Sabado mga alas 2 siguro? Arita dire kay maghimo ta o dishwashing liquid. Sunod na po by before mo open ang school maghimo na po ta mga snacks. No, kanang lalaki kay atong pabangguron. No, para snacks, pwede mo na ninyo sa inyo ha. Kung kanang mo weekend, kamaligya. No? Then maghimo po ta o plano atong ihimo sa first na itong lampo atong merienda sila. So magbaligya sa mga different na mga pagkaon niya. Doon ato ang pabaligya ito na doon ay mag-sponsor ba? Ito ako, sponsor ko. 100 pesos per head. So ako mag-sponsor ko duha sa bata na may pakanon anang worth nga charge na 100 pesos example. So daghan ng mga food so kita mo prepare. So ang dato-ato ang mga friends pwede mag-sponsor sila. Kaya sa ato rin. Kaya para mabutang na ito nga sponsored by siguro nga young savers and entrepreneurs na mga ko. So nga na siguro ka na sabi mga Christian event nga nag-aantay mga mutrit na sa ating mga bata. Birthday ka na tanan dyan ba? kanang general kanang wala to nga ikuan ba kanang mo wala kitay event ba so kanang times ba kanang sabay mong event ano na ato Mother's Day ayun no pista kung kita wala mo palitan na kay kuan man may pista so kanang Valentine's kanang Mother's Day kanang Father's Day so wala sila nga kanang mukanta abi ko man na sila so wala datong hatod so hindi mo tayo na ang mga food lalo na yung sponsor para buka ibakaon ka ng mga kabana so nako na yung nako nga activities on ang panahon nagmalik yung dito sa unang siya sa kalagit wala sila dito event sa kalagit sila nagmalik yung mga snacks no? So ina na ato tuluan ang sa on mahimong pagkakas. Okay, so karong 9 tuhon naatag nila sa ato ang maghimot ang dishwashing. Then magplano ta tanos amo mag-hands on ta o magluto sa man sa pamalayan sa buwan sa Mayo. So ano sa man? So during off taking kanang naaman na snacks so kamoy mag-prepare napanitong sa kooperatiba para snacks no so kamoy mag-prepare so maghimo ta mag-design ta og mga unsay mga food items na to gihomon okay ra ba mo ana para naamoy ginansya nga ato magbutang po sa ato ang kanang ato ang CBU. O di ba katong ato ang savings na naman tayo 2,000. Kato inyong savings ninyo, mo to siya atong murag puhunan. Kung siya atong mga activity mo tayo paan ito. Mo tayo kuhaan ito ato ang source of funds para makain ang mga insurance. Okay? So ibutang ang kuhaan na, butangin ang kuhaan yung date, ang ato ang lagpuo. So lagpuo, butangin nila siya. Kaya kuhaan ito ang social media, ito ang dishwashing, kaya dito mo gamit ang plain water. Distilled water kay magamit ng G-Point. Kaya klaro yun yung mahayan. Kaya po nila ang G-Point sa ilahan. Yung ka-G-Point na kayo. Kaya po nila gigamit, yan na kayo, sa tondo mga waivers pa. Sa ilahang chemistry na subject, sila na naging mga income generating sa mga waivers. So, sa pag yun siya, distilled water yung gawin mo. Kaya ganap yung water na clean, kasi contaminated naman yung nakod. So, katog yung distilled water yung gawin mo. Okay? So, naano kayo dito sa balay, hatag ng good water. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, Ma'am Darlene Cruz, sa iyong sharing of ideas para sa atong mga Okay, to formally close the program, may I call on Mr. Francis Benedict and Pedro for the closing remarks. Now we will close.
Good afternoon, everyone. Our young perspective and limited experience in this aspect, we will strive to gain knowledge and skills from the supportive members of SFTC. On the behalf of the Laboratory Cooperative, I would like to express our gratitude from your attendance at our first General Assembly. We also extend our sincere thanks to our guest speaker and to SFPC Mother Cooperative. I hope that we remain committed and excited, and that we faithfully follow through on the agreements we have made. May none of our members lose heart or step back from our shared goals, and that will be all. Thank you.
Isa dali sa ato ang poblasyon.
Thank you, for the management words.
Yes, ma'am.
photo officer.
Takal pala siya giyawi ito. Yes, palitin na lang. Isa pa may lain.
Before we conclude, we would like to express our sincere appreciation sa atong sponsor, si Ma'am Elvira de la Cruz. Daghang salamat, ma'am, sa inyong padayon pagsuporta sa atong kooperatiba. To our officers, organizing committee, thank you for your dedication and hard work. Sa atong keynote speaker, resource person, sa tanan ng mga field. Daghang salamat for sharing your time, knowledge, and inspiration. Labaw sa tanan sa atong mga miyembro sa laboratory cooperative. Ang salamat sa inyong padayon sa pagsali sa inyong partisipasyon. Ang mga tinukod na kasama na itong kooperatiba. Ini si Rosalie Lopez, inyong dalang salamat sa mayong adlaw kanino natong tanan. So, mag-photo off sa ta, no, before na mo hila. By committee, sir? Sa board of directors sa Salab Cooperative, maybe one na lang, sir, board of directors guardian. Adili. Committees lang. Okay. Sige, sa board of directors. Officers.
Taas mo kayo. Sa gamay.
Ito pwede. Ito po naman sa yan na, sila na.
Dito na mga laki nila dito.
One, two, three, smile. Again, 1, 2, 3, smile.
Smile, Robin.
Heart, heart.